分、分、ぶ One more again. 分、分、ぶ訓読みは分ける This kanji mean part, minute of time, or understand. That means this kanji have three meaning. The first meaning is part, and the second meaning is minute of time, and the third mean understand or understood something. 毎分 is mean every minute or per minute. 毎 is mean the first kanji 毎 is mean every. For example, you can say 毎日 right? 毎日 is mean every day. 毎月 every month, right? So in here we use with the kanji of minute. So the kanji of minute is mean 分. The kanji of 分 is mean minute. So when you use the kanji of every with the kanji of minute, you can say every minute or per minute. I think here we have 毎分 every minute. 毎分 every minute or per minute. For example, every minute in your life is important. 人生の毎分は大事です。Which means every minute in your life is important. So you should use that time to be do something that is useful for you and the society that you live in. 毎分気分 is mean feeling or mood. For example, you can use this word to create a sentence like 今日は気分が悪いです。今日は気分が悪いです。Which means I'm feeling bad today. I'm not feeling very well today. 気分が悪いです。今日の気分はどうですか？ How is about the feeling today, or how is about the mood today? So this from the word the 気分. Ki is from your feeling, right? For example, kimochi, right? This kanji from the kanji of kimochi. So it means that ki is from your feeling, from your mind, from your heart. Bun is mean part. So this means the part in your feeling, in your heart, right? So when we put the kanji of ki with the kanji of bun, this means feeling or mood. 分析 is mean analysis. 分析 in here we use to analyze the information. For example, you want to analyze the marketing information. You can say マーケティングの情報を分析します。マーケティングの情報を分析します。Which means analyze the marketing information. この情報は分析できますか？この情報は分析できますか？ Which means, can we analyze this information? 自分 自分 Jibun is mean myself, yourself, oneself, himself, or herself. That means if the speaker who talk about Jibun is mean that the speaker his or herself. So if I say Jibun, that means myself. But when I talk about somebody else, for example, Mr. Tanaka-san, so when I talk about Jibun, that means I mean Mr. Tanaka-san, his or herself, right? So this means Jibun, and it means myself, yourself, oneself, or herself, or himself. So every time you use the word Jibun, you should know that what you are talking about. And this kanji, we use the kanji on ji, right? And it's how bun. Ji is mean somebody, right? So when you speak the kanji of bun is in part. This mean part of somebody. So this mean when used together, we can say like myself, yourself, or oneself. 自分。この仕事は自分がとてもできません。この仕事は自分がとてもできません。which means I could not do this work by myself. I could not do this work by myself. この仕事は自分ができます。which means I can do this work by myself. Right? 多分 is mean perhaps or probably. For example, you can create a sentence like 多分明日学校へ行きます。多分明日学校へ行きます。which means maybe or perhaps I will go to school tomorrow. 多分明日田中さんの家に行きます。多分明日田中さんの家に行きます。which means I will go to Tanaka-san's house perhaps tomorrow. Or you can say maybe, right? Maybe I will go to Tanaka-san's house tomorrow. Which means you're not sure. So you can say 多分。半分is mean half. For example, you take some part of something, so it means 半分。The kanji of 半 is mean half, 分 is mean part. So when you put the kanji of half and the kanji of part, this mean half. 半分 this mean some part of something. So you can use like この仕事の半分は、田中さんに任せます。この仕事の半分は田中さんに任せます。which means we give half of this work to Mr. Tanaka-san. This means you just do half thing of the work for another half part you give to Mr. Tanaka-san. 十分 is mean enough or sufficient or plenty or accurate. For example, 十分にあります。料理は十分にあります。which means do you have enough food for today? 今日のパーティーは 今日のパーティー、料理は十分にあります。今日のパーティー、料理は十分にあります。Which means we have enough food for today's party. 分野is mean field or sphere or division. For example, 田中さん先生の研究分野は何ですか？田中さんの研究分野は何ですか？ Which means, what is the field of 田中さん teacher research? That means 分野 is mean part or field. For example, the research about the chemistry, physics, or about the food, right? So in Japan they call 分野。研究の分野 is mean field of research. If you research about the water, you say 水, right? So 分野 is mean field. 細分 is mean subdivision into small parts. The kanji of sai is from the kanji of shosai or kuwashi, right? So this kanji is mean talk about the detail. So when used with the kanji of fun or the bun, is mean part. So this means the small part. So when you use the kanji of sai with kanji the bun, is you can say sai bun, and it means subdivision into small part. 節分 is mean last day or winter in the traditional Japanese calendar, usually February 3rd or 4th. 分ける is mean you divide something into many parts, or you split, or to put, or to separate, or to divide up. So when we use the kanji 分ける is mean divide, or split, or to put, or to separate. For example, you can say like 2つのチームに分けます。2つのチームに分けます。This means you separate into to be a two team, or you divide into two team. 2つのチームに分けます。引き分け is mean draw in competition. Hiki is mean you draw something, right? And after you draw, you separate. Wake is mean separate, so you draw and separate. So it's mean draw in competition. 分かれる is mean separate, or to split, or to divide. This word 分かれる is you use when you for example, you go to study, and after you graduate, so everybody will separate to everyone's way. For example, to be to another place, all right. So we have the you say that 分かれる this means separate to. For example, Mr. A go to IT company, and Mr. B go to be the doctor, right? So in that time we can say 分かれる 分かれます。分かる is mean understand or comprehend or grasp. For example, この質問をわかりました。Which means I understand this question. わかりましたか ?Do you understand? はい、わかりました。Which means Yes, I understand. わかつわかつわかつ is mean to divide, to separate, or to share, or to distribute something. So you can use the word like わかつ